Excel TBILLIELD function. This function calculates the yield for a Treasury bill. It is one of Excel's built-in financial functions for analyzing U.S. Treasury bill investments. The syntax is TBILLD with three parameters: settlement, maturity, and PR, which stands for price. All three arguments are required. Settlement is the T-bill's settlement date, maturity is the T-bill's maturity date, and PR is the T-bill's price per $100 face value. Let's look at an example. We have a Treasury bill with a settlement date of March 31, 2016, a maturity date of June 1, 2016, and a purchase price of $98 per 100 face value. The formula is TBI yield of B2, B3, B4. The TBILLIELD function returns 11.85%. This is the annualized yield on the Treasury bill, meaning if you held similar investments for a full year, your return would be about 11.85%. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when the settlement or maturity date is not valid. A num error occurs when the price is zero or negative, or when the maturity date is more than 1 year after the settlement date. Key points to remember. TBILLIELD calculates the annualized return based on the purchase price and face value of $100. Lower price means higher yield. A $98 T-bill maturing in about 2 months yields approximately 11.85% annualized. Related functions include TBILLIELD for bond equivalent yield and TBIL price for calculating price from a discount rate. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.